कि शायद हम आएंगे तो बदलेंगे। भाई बहुत देर है, 15-20 साल तक किसी का नंबर नहीं लगने वाला। आप जरा भी चिंता मत करिए, जो कुछ करना है हमें ही करना है लंबे से।
Viewers, there's a reason why Amit Shah said what he did. The Congress party, it seems, has decided to take its role as the perennial opposition to a level of absurdity that is hard to describe in words. It really is. Just days after Rahul Gandhi, and you would remember that, declared merit a flawed and unfair concept, the party's resident revolutionary, Kanhaiya Kumar, has dropped a pearl of wisdom. He says, roads in Bihar are not signs of progress, but a tool for industrialists plotting to loot the state's water. Yes, you heard that right, viewers. Infrastructure is now exploitation. Development is a conspiracy to steal H2O. Yes, water. Viewers, this is not just bizarre, it's a class act in political self-sabotage. For years, Congress has screeched from the rooftops demanding jobs, growth, and a report card from Prime Minister Modi and the BJP, as they should be. But now when roads, the literal pathways to prosperity, are being laid in Bihar, they jump to declare it as a sinister plot. Never mind the fact that roads connect villages, they boost trade, may even create jobs. For the Congress party, every highway is a pipeline to corporate greed, and every bridge a straw to suck the state dry. Viewers, this is not opposition, it is opposition to sanity and logic and common sense. While the BJP builds highways, Congress is building fantasies, each more absurd than the last. Rahul Gandhi's merit meltdown and now Kanhaiya Kumar's water loot theory are not remarks in isolation. They are Congress's new style sheet that preaches stagnation as virtue and Vikas as vice. Viewers, the anti-development stance of the Congress is a gift to their rivals. Every time they open their mouths, they hand the BJP another campaign slogan. Now imagine, if roads are made to loot water, what would the Congress say about the railways? Think about it. Maybe the tracks are steel traps for exploitation. Then you have electricity. India's push for solar farms and rural electrification has lit up millions of homes. But Congress would cry foul over solar panels and call them giant mirrors to boil Bihar's rivers. What about airports? The Modi government's Udan scheme, in the Congress imagination, could well be aerial piracy. Planes will loot Bihar's clouds. Connectivity be damned. Every takeoff will be a theft. Every landing a corporate touchdown on Bihar's soul. Extend this to dams and irrigation. Important for agriculture, you would think. But no, the Congress would call it bathtub for industrialists, hoarding Bihar's rivers for some tycoon's private spa. Viewers, this isn't just baffling, it's a laughable tragedy. Amit Shah's jibe, the comment that you heard, that Congress won't see power for 15-20 years, feels generous when you realize they are campaigning to keep India in the dark ages. Roads steal water, trains steal air, planes steal clouds. What next? Schools steal thoughts, hospitals steal organs and blood. Viewers, in their quest to oppose Prime Minister Modi at all costs, Rahul Gandhi's Congress has opposed reason itself, leaving voters to wonder, is this a political party or a circus without a ringmaster?
दुनिया भर के पूंजीपतियों और कारोबारियों की नज़र बिहार की पानी पर है। और जब इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन होना था तब इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ है, और जब इंडस्ट्री अब ऑटोमेटिक हो गया है, जहां लोकल लोगों को रोजगार नहीं मिलेगा, तब ये जो है छोटा छोटा यूनिट लेकर के आ रहे हैं ताकि यहाँ के पानी का दोहन किया जा सके। ये जो बड़ी बड़ी सड़कें बन रही हैं हमारे आसपास, हमारे पास तो इनकम ही नहीं है, तो सड़क बना रहे हैं किसके लिए? सड़क बना रहे हैं यहाँ का संसाधन लूट के लेके जाने के लिए। ये जो बड़ी बड़ी सड़कें बन रही हैं हमारे आसपास, हमारे पास तो इनकम ही नहीं है, तो सड़क बना रहे हैं किसके लिए? सड़क बना रहे हैं यहाँ का संसाधन लूट के लेके जाने के लिए।
Did you hear that, viewers? It'll take some time for you to, understand what he said. Ravi Srivastava is joining the panel. सर ये क्या लॉजिक है सर इसके पीछे? अगर है तो बता दीजिए, नहीं है तो आप ही एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए कि रोड्स अगर बनेंगे और बन रहे हैं तो वहां पानी चोरी किया जा रहा है। रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, आवाज आ रही है आपको सर?
जी हाँ, आ रही है, क्या देखिए, मैं इस लॉजिक के साथ में पूरी तरह नहीं हूं। आई डोंट एग्री विद व्हाट कन्हैया कुमार हैज सेड।
नहीं, पूरी तरह नहीं है, थोड़ा सा तो है, आप थोड़ा सा तो रहना पड़ेगा।
थोड़ा सा हूं, आई नो, बिकॉज दिस काइंड ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन, रोड बिल्डिंग, एयरपोर्ट्स, दे आर ओनली टू बेनिफिट द बिग कॉर्पोरेट्स. They are not meant for the general public. For general public, investment is required in the health and education. Why Bihar has not improved in last 70 years? What is wrong with Bihar? They are most intelligent people there. Now they have gone to US. They can prosper there. They can enjoy there. But Bihar remains a Bimaru, the first state in the Bimaru. The state is Bimaru. So road building is okay, bridge building is okay, airport is okay, but
रोड बिल्डिंग, हाउ कैन रोड बिल्डिंग हैपन विदाउट वाटर? रवि श्रीवास्तव, मुझे बस ये जानना है, आपने जो बोला मैं थोड़ा सा हूं इसमें, हाउ कैन रोड बिल्डिंग हैपन विदाउट वाटर? वो जिग्जॉ पजल्स होते हैं वो वाले पेपर के बनाएंगे या क्या फेविक्विक लगा देंगे?
You have also seen in last 2 years how many bridges have collapsed in Bihar.
Okay.
And what kind of money is being made there in the construction activity.
ठीक है मिस्टर सबरवाल सर, आप बोल रहे थे मोहब्बत की दुकान, मोहब्बत की दुकान में क्या फेविकॉल रखेंगे, फेविक्विक, या बिकॉज देयर इज नो क्विक फिक्स टू दिस काइंड ऑफ अब्सर्डिटी? आप हंस लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं। आप
नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, नो प्लीज, नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया was founded by Rajiv ji, and the act, and it was made anonymous by the Congress government during 91 to 96 during the time of Narasimha Rao ji. We know that what kind of roads have played for the development for the country. Roads are very essential.
I know that.
I don't
Say
know,
this to
Kanhaiya
your
will be
leader,
having some facts
राहुल गांधी और कन्हैया कुमार को बताइए आप। वो बोल रहे हैं कि पानी चुराने की कंस्पिरेसी है ये।
सर कन्हैया के पास कुछ फैक्ट्स और फिगर्स होंगे, आई आस्क हिम।
सर ये हो सकता है, आप मुझे बताइए, कोई फैक्ट्स और फिगर हो सकता है, अभी भी आप उनको बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट दे रहे हैं। राहुल गांधी के पास भी कोई फैक्ट्स और फिगर्स होंगे, या एक दूसरा कोई साइंस की किताब होगी, या मॉरल साइंस की होगी, सिविक्स की होगी, जिसमें लिखा होगा मेरिट इज अनफेयर। ये सब ये जो सिलेबस है या जो किताब इन्होंने पढ़ी है, ये नॉर्मल लोगों के पास क्यों नहीं है?
सर कन्हैया व्यूज आर डिफरेंट। राहुल जी ने कहा, आप राहुल जी को हर चीज में बट ड्रैग किया करेंगे।
मैं ड्रैग नहीं कर रहा हूं सर, कन्हैया कुमार इज ड्रैगिंग राहुल गांधी। उन्होंने ये साबित कर दिया मेरिट इज अनफेयर।
नहीं सर, नहीं।
अब मैं तारिक भाई के पास जाता हूं। तारिक भाई पिछले डिबेट का गुस्सा यहां निकालेंगे। तारिक भाई, ये रोड्स हमको बनाने बंद कर देने चाहिए क्योंकि पानी की लूट है।
What he is trying to say is about the corruption in Bihar, okay, in different type of corruption, and he talked about the migration. So these are these two issues which we talked about, okay. And talking about jobs is a good thing. If people should talk about jobs in Bihar, and if now I'll say that not even a single bridge has collapsed in Bihar since last 5 years. If you'll say, I'll accept it. I'll accept it. Now, if the bridge is collapsing, it's not the fault of the government. There is no corruption. If you'll say, I'll accept also that, because somehow you were there to defend Bharatiya Janata Party and Nitish Kumar.
Maybe,
so,
sir, you should
what
see.
I'm saying,
no, maybe you should see. No, go back. Tariq bhai, 1 minute, sir. मैं बिना ऐसे ही कुछ बोलता नहीं हूं। ये आप देख लीजिएगा सर, वो क्लिप्स है, नहीं तो मैं भेज दूंगा कि कैसे हमने सरकार से सवाल पूछे थे, और एक बार नहीं कितने बार पूछे थे। कांग्रेस पार्टी can't use that as an excuse to get away with this. कि अगर रोड्स और ब्रिज बनेंगे तो पानी की लूट होगी।
आपने
रोहन
that is
गुप्ता,
जो-
आप लोग रोड बनाना बंद कर दीजिए। जो दिल्ली में भी जो कांग्रेस हेडक्वार्टर के बाहर का रोड है वो भी हटा दीजिए, नहीं तो कल बोलेंगे ये रोड यहां बना दिया, यहां पे हमारे बिल्डिंग में पानी नहीं आ रही है। रोहन गुप्ता,
Sorry, I would not be able to hear you. I can hear you now. See, Pranesh, if you see the argument of opposition leaders, the so-called leader who has spoken this is called the second most important leader by one of the darbaris of Congress party. He is looking after communication department. It shows the mental insolvency level of these leaders, that कहां से लेके आते हैं। और जहां बिहार, where the elections are going to happen, this is going to be one of the most important leaders for Congress party, and you can see their mindset. I think they have completely lost the plot, Pranesh. In idea of opposing Modi government, of BJP government, they completely lost the plot, what people want, what is the narrative, what are the issues they should question BJP government. 2 points have ruled their mind. One is appeasement politics and second is मानसिक दिवालियापन। ये लीडर हैं जो बात करते हैं, उनके लीडर ये कहते हैं merits is against the Dalits. What are you talking? You are dividing the country into caste. Why are you doing it? Because of our appeasement politics? In Karnataka, they are giving 4% reservation in government orders to one religion. Why? Is it not against the right of Dalits and all? Why you are talking about reservation on one side, and on the other side you are taking rights of Dalits and OBC in Karnataka? So I think this is a duplicity. That is why the people of this country, they don't trust this kind of narrative. Across India, they are failing. State by after state, they are failing.
If the Congress keeps, saying things like these, do you see them coming to power, sir?
Nash, I am not worried about elections. Whether they come to power or not is their own will. They don't want to come to power. They will keep on making these kind of noises. For me, it's a very serious issue. Let us not be flippant. What Rahul Gandhi says, what Kanhaiya Lal says is straight from the Equality Lab agenda. Can't we understand? Equality Lab has created a big hawa, a big scandal around casteism, around reservations. Now, not only here, globally they have created this, and Rahul Gandhi is just following that particular toolkit. Kanhaiya belongs to urban Naxal and Naxal group. I would not say urban Naxal group, who don't believe in democracy, who don't believe in development, who don't believe in roads, who don't believe in education. The people who go to school, they are kidnapped. When roads are built, they are broken and people are killed. And those who dare to go to school, they are also killed. And these people oppose development of entire tribal belt where they were ruling Rus once. So Kanhaiya comes from the same mindset. You'll remember Lalu Yadav long years back said, जो सड़कें बनती हैं अमीरों के लिए बनती हैं. They'll be surprised to remember that once these roads were built during Atalji's time, the Tata minivans became biggest success because they gave job to the poor and the lower middle class people. And further, if you look at this person Pawan Kheda sitting here, and here is Mr. Ramesh Sabharwal, are they on different pages? He is nodding his head on a junior who is making such mockery of development as a mockery of development. Do you think that is true? Do you think how will the lychees and how will the makhanas of Bihar go outside Bihar to the world, to India, if they don't have roads? What do you think they are?
Sir, what does one say about Pawan Kheda? It reminds me of what he had said about campaigning in Delhi. वो सबको पता है, मैं 2-3 बार तो मैं खुद ही बोल चुका हूं. That if you campaign too much, people get irritated, which is why we are not campaigning too much. अब सबरवाल जी के दोस्त हैं, वो ज्यादा बोलेंगे नहीं. सारे तो दोस्त हैं इनके कांग्रेस पार्टी में, लेकिन इनकी सुनता कोई नहीं है. इस तरह, what is this logic? Where will Rahul Gandhi do his next भारत जोड़ो यात्रा? सड़क तो होगा ही नहीं.
Pranesh, these Luddites who keep opposing infrastructure and development do it because they believe they will get more votes if India stays poor. But why this? Do you remember the policy of not developing our infrastructure on the China border? Because अगर वहां पे roads, highways बन जाएंगी तो China जल्दी आ जाएगा. It is only under the Modi government that entire policy has been changed dramatically and there has been a massive development going on. This is the same logic. ना बॉर्डर पे रोड्स बनाओ, ना बिहार में रोड्स बनाओ, लोगों को गरीब रखो, लोगों के पास पैसा ना हो. मेक इंडिया, प्रमोट इंडिया एज अ लैंड ऑफ स्नेक चार्मर्स so that people keep voting for you. It is tragic that in today's India we have leaders who scare people against industry, against development, against a livelihood, and worst of all in Bihar, which has one of the lowest, if not the lowest per capita income for a person, which has one of the highest poverty rates, highest unemployment rates, is part of a term I do not like, but Bimaru, the term has been coined. And then the most important part, Kanhaiya Kumar says, jab industry ka time tha, tab to banaya nahi. Who was in power when the time was industry was there?
No, he
and
will
who
not
did not
answer
make
that
it?
question
The
because
party
he will say, I was in school, I was in college for 8 years, 10 years. How will he answer that question? Mr. Sabarwal, I want to give you the last word on the show, sir. आप एक बार मान लीजिए लोग सोचेंगे कि यू नो यू आर अ गुड मैन, रीजनेबल, बोल दीजिए ये गलत बोला, ये अब्सर्डिटी है, नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. पवन खेड़ा वहां बगल में बैठे हुए सर, he has a view on everything. उन्होंने रोका क्यों नहीं उसको?
सर NHAI was formed by Rajiv ji.
क्या करेंगे हम उसका? ये कन्हैया कुमार does not know this. ये जो आप बोल रहे हैं पवन खेड़ा should have said this. Pawan Kheda should have said this. Are you saying Pawan Kheda does not know that NHAI was formed by Rajiv Gandhi? Does he not know? क्यों नहीं बोला उन्होंने?
सर कन्हैया का ये पर्सनल व्यू हो सकता है.
पर्सनल व्यू, ये देखिए पार्टी का स्टेज है, ये पर्सनल व्यू है. राहुल गांधी का पर्सनल व्यू है. कांग्रेस पार्टी पर्सनल पार्टी बन गई है सर. सबका पर्सनल व्यू है.
Sir, my submission is that National Highway Authority of India was formed by Congress.
I know that.
By our leader.
मुझे ये बात बताइए. No, 1 minute. National Highway Authority छोड़ दीजिए. ये where will you know stop this absurdity? और इसका करेंगे क्या? Will Kanhaiya Kumar be reprimanded?
Sir, he will be having some facts. Sir, we'll talk to him and we'll come back.
फिर आप बोल रहे हैं facts.
Might be.
क्या facts हो सकते हैं?
more than me.
If रोड बन रहा है, पानी उसमें कोई चुरा रहा है, इसमें क्या फैक्ट हो रहा है सर? आई डोंट नो. मे बी आई नीड टू यू नो डिग डीपर, पन इंटेंडेड, टू फाइंड आउट ये फैक्ट्स. पता नहीं कितने अंदर से निकाला कन्हैया कुमार ने. रवि श्रीवास्तव जी भी, ही इज ऑल्सो ट्राइंग हार्ड नॉट टू स्माइल. अब क्या करें, इनका भी पोजीशन है डिफेंड करना. सर आप बताइए 30 सेकेंड्स.
30 seconds. Allow me to speak on that merit concept.
नहीं मेरिट नहीं सर, इस पे बोलिए. द मीट ऑफ द टॉपिक इस पे बताइए ना सर, पानी कैसे चुराया जा रहा है?
You have a regular agenda to run down any Congress statement every day. That is your debate.
Ravi Srivastava, sir, you ask them not to make, no, if you should be asking them not to say these things. आप मुझे क्यों बोल रहे हैं कि क्यों डिबेट करते हो? उनको बोलिए ऐसा मत बोलो, प्रणेश डिबेट नहीं करेगा. We've run out of time, viewers. Some other day. And sir, by the way, अगर मैं नहीं करूंगा तो आप आएंगे कैसे? ये देखिए जॉब जनरेशन भी तो है, वो भी तो है. अब ये बोल दीजिएगा कि कांग्रेस इज नाउ क्रिएटिंग जॉब्स इन नया भारत. I leave it to you, your judgment, viewers. Thanks for watching the News Hour with Davika Kumar on the other side.